welcome back to the Fairy Frequency channel. You are looking at a baby cuckoo bird. Isn't she cute? So sweet. This little sweetheart was found at the little mountain. The boys brought her home the other day. Something was wrong with her eye. She must have fell out of the nest, and she might need some eye drops on that side. So we'll be taking her to the nature center today, but I'm gonna try to feed her for you guys so you can see what to do if you happen to have rescued a baby cuckoo bird. She's so cute. So I'm going to set her back in this box for just a second. I'm going to show you what I've made her. So I have made a syringe full of wet cat food. So what I did was I just wet down some really high protein cat food, and I've placed it in a syringe, and it's got to be really wet so it's turned into like mush. Now normally cuckoo birds will eat, they'll eat insects, of course. They actually favor fuzzy caterpillars and also moths and little bugs. So, but we're gonna see if she'll open her mouth for some food. Want some food, babe? If she won't open her mouth, I'll have to open her beak for her. I've tried a couple of times, and let's see, she might open. See if we can get her to open. Bite. Open up, honey. So if you can't get them to open, you may have to open the beak yourself. This sometimes causes a little bit of fighting. Let's see if I can get some down her. There we go. She got a little bite. Yeah, well, that's good. There we go. Sweet little bird. She's so darling. So, of course, it is illegal to keep many wild birds, so you'll need to check with your area and most likely find a proper bird rehab or a nature center that you can bring these babies to. Oh, she's sweet. They're also known as home-wrecking birds because they tend to leave their eggs in someone else's nest, and then those birds will take care of the baby. But in this case, we believe that maybe a hawk or a falcon possibly got to the nest and maybe got some of the other family of birds out of the nest. Possibly she just happened to fall, and that might have been what caused the sore eye situation. So she has a very short tail, and she has black feet and a black bill. There's also a yellow-billed cuckoo. Those are a little more common than the black-billed cuckoo. She's such a darling. Jake is coming to hold her for a minute. And she step right up on his finger. There you go. Isn't she a cutie? I love her little sing-song voice. Cuckoos are actually very good luck too, and mean prosperity when you see one, so it's good to see a cuckoo bird. Cute little bird. Alright. You can find more videos like this in our original playlist titled Creatures and Critters. Thanks for joining us today.